A tax lien doesn't have to stay on your record forever, but removing it takes the right steps. If you've received an IRS tax lien, don't panic. There are ways to fix it, and Izella Tax Relief is here to help. So, what exactly is an IRS tax lien? It's the government's legal claim against your property when you owe back taxes. This doesn't mean they're taking your property yet, but it can hurt your credit and complicate selling or refinancing. Now, let's talk about how to remove or lessen the impact of a lien. There are three main options. First, a lien release happens when your debt is fully paid or settled. Second, a lien withdrawal removes the lien from public record once you're in good standing or on a payment plan. Lastly, lien subordination doesn't remove the lien but allows another creditor to take priority, which can help with refinancing or selling. Choosing the right option depends on your specific tax situation. That's where Izella Tax Relief comes in to guide you through this process. We help California taxpayers request lien removals and negotiate directly with the IRS. Don't let a lien define your future. Take back control with expert help on your side, serving Daly City, San Mateo, and the Greater Bay Area. Visit izellataxrelief.com or call 415-818-6899 to get your lien reviewed today.